After a long period in an unpaid internship, the moment Chris Gardner has been waiting for has finally arrived. His financial problems can't wait any longer.
Okay, because tomorrow's going to be your first day. If you'd like to work here as a broker, would you like that, Chris?
Yes, sir.
We couldn't be happier, so welcome. Was it as easy as it looked?
No, sir. No, sir, it wasn't.
Good luck, Chris.
Thank you. This part of my life, this little part, is called happiness.